How to share a PDF as a file link. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share a PDF as a link on your Windows device. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Alright, so let's begin. As you can see here on my Windows desktop, I have this PDF called subscribe. So if I want to share this as a link, then what you need to do is just go ahead and open up any web browser and make sure that you're logged into any account. Then click on this dot right here to open up Google Apps, and from here you just want to open up your drive. So once you open up your Google Drive, all you have to do is click on this new icon or right click on it to click on File Upload. Once you do that, you just want to find where your file is and click on it to open it up on your drive. So just upload it on your Google Drive. Once you have uploaded this, all you need to do is right click on it, click on share, and then click on copy link. So what this will do is it will create a link for this specific file. So if you click on share, and from here, once you click on copy link, your file's link will be copied. And if this is unrestricted, make sure that it's on anyone with the link, because if it's unrestricted, then they cannot access your file. So all you have to do is change it to anyone with the link, so these people will have access to the PDF file and they can view it. Once you do that, click on done, and you can share this link anywhere you want like this and hit enter, and it will directly open up this PDF file. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.